Hello children. Chapter 1 whole I have explained. Now today I am going to explain chapter 2 polynomial. In class 9 already you have done this chapter polynomial. In class 10 we will go through types of polynomial and zeros of polynomial and relation between zeros of polynomial and coefficient of polynomial. Now come for special names of the polynomial first. The polynomial of three names: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Mono means one, means polynomial of one term is called the monomial. That is, example is 2x is monomial, 5y is monomial. I have written px, polynomial of x, means variable is x, and where I have written py means variable is y, so it is 5y square is the monomial. Binomial of two terms. Bi means 2. Example 4x minus 2, variable 2, and p of x, polynomial of x is equal 5x square plus 2. So it is called binomial, two terms here. Trinomial, polynomial of three terms. Tri means 3. So example px is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Three terms are there. So it is a trinomial. Now types of polynomial: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial, its basic formula is polynomial of x. So ax plus b, a is not equal to 0. First term must not be 0. So it is the general form. Example p of x, polynomial of x is equal 4x plus 9. Quadratic polynomial, polynomial of degree 2. क्वाड्रिक मतलब 2 होता है. So now it is polynomial of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. It is quadratic polynomial. General form: p polynomial of x is equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 3. It is an example. Cubic polynomial, polynomial of degree 3. So degree 3 is a general formula ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. It is the general form of cubic polynomial. An example is 5x cube plus 3 plus x plus 1. Cubic polynomial, it is so highest power is 3. Now next is zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial are the possible numbers for which the value of the polynomial is 0. Zeros of polynomial are also called the roots of the polynomial, means values. If we substitute the value in state of x, its value should be for which number its value is coming 0, that is the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial example has given 4x plus 3 or 2x square plus 5x plus 3 or this one. Here now degree is 1, means it is the 1 0 is there, means a number of 0, it is 1. It is degree 2, so number of 0 is 2. Degree 3, so number of 0 is 3. Next, when the graph of the polynomial px, graphically how many zeros are there we can find out. When the graph of the polynomial, now see here, this graph is not touching the x-axis, so there is no zero, no real zero for this graph. Right in the polynomial of x, so it should be how many times this graph will touch x-axis, not y-axis. Polynomial is, if he has given polynomial of y, then it will be how many times it touch the y-axis. Now next you see Next you see another graph. It is this curved line is the graph of any polynomial. It's touching the x-axis at only one point. So its zero of this graph is only 1. Number of 0 is 1. Here this graph touching the x-axis at 1, 2, 3 points. So number of 0 will be 3. Now we'll go the next exercise. Actually every question I am solving here without wasting time, as when I will explain, if I solve that time, the time will waste. Now one graph of y is equal to px are given below. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. There are 6 graphs as given. It is exercise 2.1 NCERT class 10. First question. This is the graph of y is equal to px. Parallel to the x-axis, it does not touch the x-axis at any point, so there is no real 0. Second graph. This graph, you can see it intersects x-axis at one point, so number of 0 is 1. Third graph. The graph intersects x-axis at 1, 2, 3 points, so number of 0 is 3. This graph intersects x-axis at 2 points, so number of 0 is 2. This graph intersect x-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So number of zeros are 4. Now this graph, it intersect 1, 2, 3 points. So number of 3. Now right hand side I have written all the answers here. What I explained to you. Now this exercise finished.